Good afternoon. Next, so today we will see the problems based on work done. So first problem, an electrostatic field is given by E bar is equal to x by 2 plus 2y ax bar plus 2x ay bar volt per meter. So find work done in moving point charge. Find work done in moving point charge. So Q is equal to 20 microcoulomb from 420 to 0 0 0 along a straight line path. So the given points are located. We will show the diagram. We'll draw it. It is y, z and x. So here location of the given points is shown. It is this is point of origin 0 0 0. Now the equation of dl bar in Cartesian coordinate system is given by dl bar is equal to dx ax bar plus dy ay bar plus dz az bar. So by observing this figure, here x and y coordinates are varying. Okay, here x and y coordinates are varying, but z coordinate is what? It is 0, that is it is unchanged. Thus dz is equal to 0. This is because the line is in z is equal to 0 plane. Okay, here dz is 0 since line is in z equal to 0 plane. Okay, so equation 1 becomes, this is our equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes dl bar is equal to dx ax bar plus dy ay bar. This is equation number 2. Now given expression of E bar, is equal to x by 2 plus 2y ax bar plus 2x ay bar volt per meter. This is equation number 3. Therefore E bar dot dl bar is equal to x by 2 plus 2y ax bar plus 2x ay bar into dx ax bar plus dy ay bar. Therefore E bar dot dl bar is equal to x by 2 plus 2y dx plus 2x dy. This is equation number 4. So the equation So the equation 4 should be in the terms of x and x or y, and for this we consider the equation of straight line which is passing through the origin. So what is the equation of straight line? We know that equation of straight line is y is equal to mx. Now here m is what? It is a slope which is equal to 2 by 4, which is 0.5. Therefore y is equal to what? 0.5 x. So x is equal to what? Y by 0.5. Now x is equal to 2y and dx is equal to 2 dy. So we put these values in equation 4. So we get e bar dot dl bar is equal to 2y by 2 plus 2y. We substitute these values in the above equation. So it becomes 3y into 4 6y dy plus 4y dy, that is 10y dy. Now we have to find the work done. So work done is w is equal to minus q, initial value, final value, e bar dot dl bar. So it is minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6, as q is given 20 microcoulomb. Integration 4 to 0 0 0 0 10 by dy. So it is minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now here the integration is with respect to y only. Okay, here integration is only with respect to y, and y varies from 2 to 0. So other two terms we are not going to consider. It is 2 to 0, 10 by dy. Now 10 is constant outside, so it is minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10. Integration of y dy is y square by 2. Value changes from 2 to 0. So it is minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10. Now here it is 0 minus 2 square is 4 by 2. So it is 2 minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 40 into 100. So it is 400 microjoule. So in this way we can find the work done. Now next problem based on work done. So find the work done in moving point charge. Q is 5 microcoulomb from origin to pi by 4 and pi by 2 in spherical coordinate. In field E bar, which is equal to 5 e raised to minus r by 4 ar bar plus 10 by r sin theta a phi bar plus it is joule per meter. So here equation of E is given. Work done, we have to calculate the work done. Point charge Q is given 5 microcoulomb. So the equation of dl bar in spherical coordinate in spherical coordinate system is dl bar is equal to dr ar bar plus r d theta a theta bar plus r sin theta d phi a phi bar. Therefore E bar dot dl bar is equal to phi u e raised to minus r by 4 ar bar plus 10 by r sin theta a phi bar into dr Now here equation becomes phi u e raised to minus r by 4 dr plus 10 d phi. So we have equation of E bar dot dl bar. Now we write down the formula for work done. So work done is W is equal to minus Q, initial value, final value, E bar dot dl bar. So Q is minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into integration, initial value 0 0 0, final value is 2 pi by 4 and pi by 2. It is 5 e raised to minus r by 4 dr plus 10 d phi. So minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now here we take the separate integration. It is dr, r goes from 0 to 2 meter. 5 e raised to minus r by 4 dr plus, as this is phi term, phi goes from 0 to pi by 2. This middle term is theta, so here theta is absent. We are not going to consider this term. So it is 10 d phi. Now minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Solve the integration. So 5 is constant. E raised to, it is minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus r by 4. Integration goes from 0 to 2 plus 10 is constant. Integration of d phi is phi. Value goes from 0 to pi by 2. So if we substitute these r value and phi value in this equation, then we get minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 7.869 plus 15.7. So your final answer is minus 117.88 microjoule. So this is our final answer. In this way we can find out the work done. Here we substitute the values, that it becomes minus 20 e raised to minus r by 4. So minus 20 e raised to minus 2 by 4 minus 20 into e raised to 0, that is 1. And here 10 phi, that is 10 into pi by 2 minus 10 into 0. So in this way we can get this answer. Final answer is work done is minus 117.88 joule. Thank you.